Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a pie base. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small, half-inch cubes. The cold butter is crucial for a flaky crust. Additionally, have about 1/2 cup of ice water ready. These simple components are the foundation for a delicious pie. Now, let's combine our dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 1/2 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. This ensures everything is evenly distributed. Next, add your cold, half-inch butter cubes to the flour mixture. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, work the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized pieces of butter remaining. This step is key for a tender, flaky crust. It's time to add the ice water. Gradually add the 1/2 cup of ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently until the dough just barely comes together. Avoid overmixing, as this develops gluten and can make your crust tough. Once combined, divide the dough into 2 equal discs. Wrap each disc tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period allows the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up. Finally, let's prepare our pie base for baking. On a lightly floured surface, roll out 1 chilled dough disc into a 12-inch circle, aiming for about 1/8 inch thickness. Carefully transfer the rolled dough into your 9-inch pie plate. Trim any excess dough, leaving about a 1/2 inch overhang, then fold it under and crimp the edges decoratively. Chill the pie crust again for 15 minutes before adding your filling and baking. This final chill helps maintain its shape.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.